Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Efootball. Go to My Team, then Training, then Position Training. You're doing this now to avoid wasted steps. Select the exact player whose position training you want removed. Once selected, inspect the listed positions and any scheduled drills. This tells you why the player keeps shifting. Make sure to pause auto-scheduling if it's on, because auto-assignment will immediately reapply changes otherwise. Now you're ready to remove the assigned position. You now remove the assignments. Open the player's position list and uncheck every position you don't want them training for. While doing that, check for an auto-position or auto-assign toggle. Turn it off so the game won't add positions back. Once unchecked, confirm the removal when the dialog appears and apply the change to the roster. Make sure to scroll through all position tabs. Sometimes side slots or youth settings still hold an assignment you need to clear before moving on. Finish by saving your changes and returning to the player profile so you can verify the position list is empty. Once done, run a friendly match or preview lineup to confirm the player no longer trains or appears in the removed roles. If the changes didn't stick, make sure to restart the app, and if needed, clear the game cache. This often forces settings to refresh. If issues persist, check for linked squads or youth squads that auto-sync and repeat the removal there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.